Wonderful Eritrean friends with me today. When we organized this event, I asked them if they can be part of our conversation today, and they were very happy to join us. Both of them are artists. So I've got David. He's an artist, but he also plays. I also want to give you a very brief introduction of this instrumental musical instrument. It's a 6-string musical instrument called kirar. We call that kirar, and it's a very important part of our traditional musical instrument in Eritrea. It's not well known, but it's very well known in Eritrea, and this is part of the three of us are refugees. So we have been through a lot in terms of our journey before we came to the UK, and this has been part of our journey. It's part of everyone's journey. It's part of our journey, whether it's in the refugee camps, Libya, the Mediterranean Sea, Italy, other parts of the world. An important part of, and it's very portable, as you can see. When you come here, it's also part of us carrying our culture. So the way it is a refugee, he is an artist. He uses his art as well to uplift the community, to sustain and carry the culture, to also resist. He is part of our movement in the UK, for example, the diaspora movement. So he's also one of the many Eritrean artists through which we use art to oppose, to express ourselves, to exercise our politics. So he has agreed today to come and join you and play. He's a singer, songwriter. He plays also the instrument, so he's all. And I just wanted to pay tribute, and he will sing one of his original songs. I'm sure he will say a few words about what the song means, so I don't want to spoil that. And we've got Aaron. Aaron is also an artist, so he's more into film, so he's a film writer, he's a director. He is also there. Both of them are attending at the Leeds College of Arts, College of Music. So I just want to say they are very important part of our movement in the diaspora in the UK, in Leeds. And David, thank you for being part of our conversation today. And the stage is yours. If you want to say a few words about the song, I think it would be really good. Thank you.
Thank you, ዝተፈላለዩ. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for inviting to be here. Tavalu, like he said, my name is David. I'm from Eritrea, and I'm trying to sing in one song. One of my track is Tigrinya language. Tigrinya language is like Eritrean language. Majority of the people speak in Tigrinya, and this song is created for people who we've been on world pressure about the COVID-19, and also have Eritrean peoples in unsettled life because of the government. So I'm trying to the people to help each other, and hopefully I'm wishing by this year or next year will be everything's okay. Thank you.
زعم زيا
Thank you.